Hello and welcome to Guided Mind and Body Meditation. My name is Vivian. Let's get started. Sit or lay down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you would like. Give yourself permission to relax and unwind. If you hear any outside sounds or noise, know that they will only help you relax even further. And if your mind wanders, that's okay. Just watch your thoughts pass and keep listening to my voice. I want you to notice your breath. Listen to the sound and movement of your breathing. So soft and comfortable. Take a deep breath in. Hold it for a second and release. Inhale and exhale. With every exhale, I want you to sink deeper into a relaxed state of mind and body. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Clear your mind. Let go of all the tension in your body. Relax every muscle in your body. Let go of anything that might be making you tense right now. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a second, and release. Feel your head relaxing. Now your chest and arms. Feel your hips, your legs, and your feet relaxing. Imagine yourself floating. You feel so comfortable and supported. Know that you are safe. Know that you are loved. As you're floating, I want you to release any sadness you're holding on to. Let go of any anger you may have. Let go of any worries you have. Set free any negative ideas or thoughts you have of a current situation or a past trauma or people or of yourself. See them leaving your mind. See them leaving your body. See them moving far, far away. Now you begin to float higher and higher. You feel lighter, weightless. Stay here for as long as you like. I want you to notice a glowing ball of light emanating from your stomach. A soft, bright light. The soft, glowing ball of light begins to grow. It slowly spreads to the rest of your body. You are now inside the glowing ball of light. It feels so peaceful. The ball continues to grow. Imagine the soft, bright, glowing ball of light growing past the room you are in, the building you're in, the neighborhood you're in, growing past the earth and out into space. You slowly start to float down to to the ground. Feel your feet and legs touch the floor. Your arms, back, and finally your head gently lays on the floor. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Notice your energy, your thoughts, and your body. Thank you for meditating with me. Remember, when you guide your mind and body, everything else will follow. Until next time.